Welcome to CordenPharma, where innovation meets opportunity. We are a CDMO partner that supports biotech and pharma innovators of complex modalities in their drug development life cycle. I'm an engineer, and I want to make a real impact on my career. We are looking for talent like you, with a learning attitude and passion, with the ability to see the big picture. At CordenPharma, you can manage projects end-to-end, giving you a chance to make a real impact by working on the full process of drug manufacturing. Are you looking for a dynamic environment where every day is a new challenge and full of opportunities? Well, you'll come to the right place. With us, you will be working with the state-of-the-art technologies. Here, teamwork and collaboration are the foundation of everything we do. And the best part, we offer you endless possibility to grow and make sure you are always ready to succeed. So, are you ready to join a team that excels in customer service and contribute to deliver a better quality for patients? Come and join us.